Up everyone, this video starts off in Rincón and we wind up going through 2 days. The second day is more of Aguadilla and Crash Boat. So if you're here for just Crash Boat, you can skip over to the end part if you like, but I strongly advise that you watch from beginning to end so you can get a little flow. Let's go into the intro. Enjoy. Okay, mis amores, we are hi, welcome back to La Vida Mora, Puerto Rico. We are ready to go eat and we need little bracelets just to enter. What is going on?
And I put it on, I was like, this feels like Jasmine.
I have to. Okay, you're back. Keep walking. No sabe cómo. In Aguadilla and Parque Colón de Seguro y Banco going on to a lot of different kioscos. I'm here with Jasmine. It is her birthday weekend still. This is stop number 1. Then we're going to Crash Boat.
En poco tiempo estudiando el programa de mecánica o programa técnico que te apasiona. Llama ahora al 787-665-0000. Búscanos en las redes sociales como @autónica. Alrededor de la isla, porque en Puerto ahorra más y vives mejor. Oficina del Dr. Juan Rodríguez Rodón. Cirugía menor, electrocardiograma, hidratación y los famosos.
¡Ay, qué lindo!
Pruébalo. Si me dices que auto secado, yo tengo los expertos de Infecti, Autofin y Barba. Lanzados en la pinta, pasos y mes, Reguero Tax Group, porque yo confío en el programa.
¡Wow, qué hermoso! 849 I follow them. We have a winner. We're sharing a little lunchy here. That's actually really good. The chicken's really fresh. Even the tostones that were sitting there are pretty good. They're not like super chewy
Dry.
or dry. You can still like bite into them and feel it breaking down. Tastes like my mom's. Like this one. Can you hear the crunch?
Very popular. If you're from Chicago, it's like North Avenue Beach.
That's like a popular beach there?
Yeah, like a little ratchet, but.
Well, no, that's like in New York City, Orchard Beach. That's like the Puerto Rico beach over there. They do a lot of like salsa concerts and everything. Oh, cha-cha. Let's see. Woo.
Damn, for the cars to be all the way up there. Chacho. Crash boat.
We are on the top of the mountain in Crash Boat. So we were looking for trouble coming at this time. That is Crash Boat down there. We walked from all the way up there. We came from all the way up there. Guys, today the beach is full. The GPS.
You have arrived.
The GPS was still on. Wow. Completely full. This is the most full I've ever seen coming here. That is going on right now. But let's see how it is. Mira qué lindo.
Domino.
Oof. Thinking of buying a drink. I don't know if it's better to just buy the drink now. Tropical drink. That's exactly. I thought you were saying that that's what they were. Estamos aquí en Tropical Drinks. We already ordered, I forgot to report. I got a piña colada sin alcohol and jazz.
And then I got a smoothie, the mango and palcha, mango and passion fruit con alcohol. With me.
We're doing en revés today. Reverse. Todo. That's it. It is really crowded and the water is really good. The water is a little strong today. You see the waves are coming in hard. We're pretty close to the water, but not that close. Vamos para la agua. usual. She showed them how to do it. No, just drop in feet first. Okay guys, so we're gonna close out this vlog here. We are on our way home now. I'm actually taking Jasmine to the airport tonight. So we have some resting to do before we finish the day.